Oh, I love to play a game. The devices on your hands are symbolic of shackles you place upon others. You recklessly owe people money, knowing their financial limitations, counting on repossessing more than they can ever pay back. You are predators. Well, today, you become the prey and will give the amount of flesh I demand. The scale before you is the only path to freedom. However, one of you may pass, and the toll is ultimate sacrifice. The sacrifice of flesh. Before you are the instruments to exact this flesh. Over days now, from when the 60-second timer hits zero. The one who's given the most flesh will release their findings, while the gears on your opponent's head will engage in piercing their skull. All for the most flesh to stay alive. The choice is yours.